Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ad, and today I'm going to show you how to make YouTube banner on Canva mobile. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Canva app, and what you're going to do, you're going to just type right here in the search at the top. You're going to just type YouTube, okay, YouTube banner. All right, and basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and in the search results, just type in the YouTube banner logo with the YouTube logo on it. And basically you're going to be able right here to see your already template been set up for you to use it as a YouTube banner. So let's have an example. I want to use that one basically, right? So after I clicked this one, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and I can edit the text, and I can edit the bio right here, or the description, and the subscribe button in my avatar as well, right? And you can change it to whatever picture that you actually want. Let's say for example, I want to delete this picture, right? And I want to delete this image, and I want to add another image to it, right? So what I'm gonna do, after I deleted this image, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back right here, and you're gonna see many tools. Click the camera roll, and you're gonna be able to see a pop-up window, and I'm gonna choose, let's say for example, this photo, and click add to page, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this photo inside this logo, and as you can see, the YouTube banner has been set up. And after you finish, click the save at the top right, and as you can see, now you can use it for free as a YouTube banner without a logo or watermark. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.